use this if we have it, because that means it'll lap around on itself perfectly. So I'm big on going, you know, on the roof, and because I don't measure too well, I usually screw that up. So something like that, right? So I know right here.
So you're gonna have a couple inch overlap on that.
You got it. Okay. The next thing is to have what we call the fingers. So you got to cut like 2 inches in all the way. Every inch, inch and a half on center. I've done one of these in 10 years.
Can we do it with scissors?
You could do it with scissors, absolutely. Do we have pipes on this job? If we do, we probably should be, even roofers don't do this anymore. We have a liquid applied detailing.
Will that work in 25 degrees?
Yeah.
Yeah. All fan will work?
Yes. But we're doing this now, so we might as well do it, since I haven't done one in a long time, and I'm not.
There is drains, but there's no detail.
Okay, well, when we figure out what the drain looks like, then we can talk about it a little bit. Most likely it should have a drain ring and clamp the membrane down. So the membrane, this membrane will go under it,
Yeah.
clamping ring right on it.
How do you stop it from getting wrinkled as you go into the sump of the drain, though?
Really smooth transitions, and then put maybe a small piece in the drain that comes out of the sump,
Yeah.
and then tag onto it from the other sheets. The smaller the sheet is, easier it is for you to kind of control it, move it around. Okay, so we're gonna basically do this. We've cut our fingers, right? We've measured our width. Tipped over the light. I really didn't hit the fingers too much, right? Start from the middle, back side opposite you. Somebody's gonna have to hold that down. Slide it in. Make sure I'm straight. Slowly walk it around.
On the job, pipes don't move it.
No. And that kind of screwed us up because it moved the membrane a little bit, but you can see, I think, what we're trying to do. So then I'm going to take my torch again
Okay, and torch.
and do that. Then I'm going to come back with my trowel, my little torch. I'm going to do all this. Okay, so let's why don't a couple of you guys do that? Grab a little torch, heat that all up. Then we're going to need to cut a piece that's like a donut around it.
Yep.
Here, use my gloves. And that trowel, right? You got the trowel? That yellow torch is way better than the green one. Is that my yellow torch? Now that I've used the older one, I'm like, wow, the yellow is way better. So let's think about what we want to do for measuring it too, right now. Yep, you're gonna have to degranulate, like basically, sorry, from that angle change out and maybe make a square. But I would do that after I cut the piece, because then I would use the piece as my my measuring stick, kinda. You know, my pattern.